Hello everyone, here we are at the stall of Newcork Product Private Limited, and here we have Mr. KP Singh, who is the Chief Marketing Officer. Hi sir, how are you?
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing great sir. So can you tell us a bit about Newcork Private Limited?
Newcork was founded in 1992. We started with the manufacturing of the gaskets and corks, which is very critical component for transformers. Though it is a low cost product, but it enhances the performance of the transformer in a big way. So we identified the pain areas for the industry and given them the solutions. Since then, we have diversified into so many other products. The nanocrystalline core, the air cell, which is used in transformer. Then we do have the inflatable other items like gas storage balloon, the CPR, the air cell. We thought of providing some innovative solutions to our customers. They have told us that they are having problem in getting the air caster cushion, which is used for moving the heavy objects. So we have provided them the solution. Air caster cushion was not manufactured by anyone in India up till 1 year back. So and our customers were saying that they are getting a lot of issues. The lead time was 6 to 8 months. They have to give the order for at least 20 to 30 numbers. And obviously, you know, they had to shell the big foreign exchange to the overseas companies.
What do you think about the initiative, and what is your message to the people who are currently focusing on Make in India?
This air caster cushion has given our company unique opportunity that we should contribute in Make in India initiative. If you're having anything in India, I'm saving a lot of the foreign exchange. That is one. If I'm giving the solution right here in India, obviously they would be having the less lead time, and it should be cost effective also. They're extremely happy, and we have successfully installed number of air caster cushion in India. And they're very happy. There are so many inquiries right now. Big companies, Schneider, the TBA, Toshiba, the Kanohar, so many companies, they are after us. And what they are saying that, you know, if you can provide these solutions to us, you know, we will be extremely happy, and they would not depend on the overseas market. So I feel we are contributing heavily in Make in India initiative, which is the Government of India flagship initiative. And as you just said that you would be having this 75th year, the launch, we would be extremely happy to be a part of it.
Thank you.
And apart from that, we had partnered with the Masa LLC, which is a Russian company. RIP bushing also, that was a product which was imported from overseas. So we have taken that initiative as well. The Newcork and the Masa, they have partnered together and having the factory in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan. And we are already approved source for the 400 kVA by Power Grid of India. So that is also, you know, that is feather in our cap. These two products really, you know, we feel that it is under the Make in India initiative, and we are extremely proud of it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your time, and
Okay.
it's been a pleasure
Thank you.
meeting you.